You thought you had it all figured out. You would go to school, get good grades, land a good job, maybe get married, have a few kids, White House, picket fence. You would retire wealthy and healthy, live the American dream. And maybe you were even well on your way. Or maybe you were just getting started. But something happened, and now you're looking for a change. So someone told you to take a look at this video, and you said, sure. That probably made them smile, and to be clear, this probably isn't what you think it is. Because what most of us think of when it comes to an insurance salesman is a briefcase, flip chart, gold chain, and being avoided at family reunions. And rightfully so. Most agents get their start in the industry by cold calling, going door to door, or even worse, by being forced to peddle their company's products to their friends and family. And where does this get them? On average, less than $31,000 a year, with a failure rate of over 90%. That's not good. With inflation, mounting debt, rising healthcare costs, and with unemployment, foreclosures, and bankruptcies at an all-time high, people need protection now more than ever. However, the percentage of those actually covered is less than it's ever been. Again, not good. That's where we come in. We're one of the fastest growing companies in the market today, and we're revolutionizing a 400-year-old industry. Founded in January of 2010 in Asheville, North Carolina, helping a mere 80 families, to now helping thousands of families every month. We're on a path to becoming larger than 95% of insurance companies in the United States within just a few short years. And we're not even an insurance company. And operating at less than 5% capacity, we haven't even scratched the surface yet. Here's how we're doing it. Instead of sending you door to door to find people that need our help, we found a way to bring them to you. Every day, thousands of people walk to their mailboxes and find a letter that we've mailed to them. If they like what we're offering, they'll put down all of their info, including their phone numbers and the best time to call them. And then they mail it back to us. Your job is simple. Go help the people that have asked for your help. And when you do, you get paid. You get paid well. So how many people do you want to help each week? 5? 10? 50? Because now that you aren't wasting time cold calling and door knocking, you can actually spend time building your business. Using a model similar to multi-dimensional franchising, you will have access to every tool you need to build your own business without the cost and the risk of doing it on your own. So here we are, in the perfect place, at the perfect time. Meet Symmetry Financial Group.